Hi, everyone, and my name is Frank Amodeo. I'm the only certified attorney in this Dabbleverse. Please write in your questions if you have any questions. If you want any free law advice, I could do that. I'm the only certified attorney in this Dabbleverse. I have over 35 years of experience, over 35 years of labor law experience, over 35 years helping clients overturning convictions, criminal convictions. I'm the only one in this Delaverse that actually is a real attorney. All right, real attorneys wear suit and ties. Real attorneys have nice rooms like this one. I'm on a high-rise apartment, and I'm in New York City. Some other attorneys just pretend to be New York City. Other attorneys just pretend to be real attorneys when they're not. We all know real attorneys practice the law. Real attorneys have backgrounds that you could check. You could research my background on Nexus and Lexus. Everything checks out. You could research the old articles if you have time. Check out the old articles on Nexus and Lexus. I have over 35 years of experience. I don't lose cases. I'm in this for my clients, not for myself. Everything else the other Delaverse attorney does is self serving. I can't really say too much because he will sue me, and I prefer to spend my time helping people, not not getting myself sued. I am too smart for that. I'm the smartest person in this Daleverse. That's a fact, Jack. That's a fact backed up by documents. I have those documents. I have over 100 binders of documents if I ever need to disclose information about anyone in this Dabbleverse. And that's more than a fact. That is a confirmed fact, my friends. You don't dispute my law license. You don't dispute my history. You don't dispute how many cases I won. That's my business. Like I said, you could verify everything on Lexus and Lexus if you have the time. My name is Frank Amodeo. I'm the only certified attorney in this Devilverse at this time. I'm the only one that knows how to dress. I dress well like a real attorney because I am a real attorney. We have other people saying they're attorney. Just because the word attorney is in your name doesn't mean you're an attorney. Okay. And I can't give names because I don't want to get myself sued. And that's just the way it is in this Daleverse right now. And I've successfully represented people like like Joey C. And most of my clients I can't talk about. A lot of famous people and these are facts. And yeah, so that's if you have any questions, like I said, I'm the only certified attorney, anyone capable of doing anything. If you want your cases won, you talk to me, number one dog, Frank Amadeo. If you wanna lose your case and end up in jail, you talk to the other guys. You talk to the other Daleverse attorneys. Now it's time for my little spring water break here. A true Daleverse attorney drinks sparkling water. A true Daleverse attorney dresses up. You dress up when you go to court. You don't go to court in shorts and a sweatsuit. Nobody does that. That's improbable. That's ridiculous. That's preposterous. Who would do that? Can't name names, folks. It's against the code of ethics. But we all know who we're talking about in this Daleverse. We don't need to name names. Yeah, we all know who the real man is around here. And I don't need any recognition. I got clients all day. I got clients telling me I'm one of the good guys. I won a good guy award. All right, from the National Bars Association, and let's. Do you think the other guy won any awards? Okay, so I don't know how far you want me to go with this, but I'm the good guy around here. Oh, that's been a confirmed fact. Oh, I don't lose cases. I'm not a loser. Everything I everything I do turns to gold. Can we say that about the other attorney? Can we say that about the other guy? I don't think so. Who would you rather have as your attorney? Who would you sleep better at night? I got the other guys shaking in their boots. They don't know if they're coming or going. If they see my name on the docket, all they know is they're in trouble. That's what they know. They're gonna hide under their desk until it's time for court. Then they're gonna call in sick, ask for an extension. They can't win in court against me. Over 35 years of experience, they're not going to win. That's a fact. You don't question my authority. You don't question my law license. I'm certified in all the states, unlike some people. We're going to talk truth here. We're going to talk, if you have any questions, write them in. I could answer any and all law questions. Now, my clients are innocent because of something called mens rea. Mens rea means innocent mind. And if you have an innocent mind, you can't be convicted of a crime. So all my clients have an innocent mind. They're innocent of any and all crimes. You know, and okay, so you have innocent mind. That's mens rea. You also have actus reus, which means guilty act. All my clients have never done a guilty act. I don't have guilty clients. That's the other guy. If you want to talk about guilty, that's the other guy's problems. We don't have guilty clients at my law firm. Okay. And once again, we're on the 57th floor on my luxury suite in New York City. We're the good. I'm the good guy here. So if anyone has any questions about the law, you ask the man. You ask Frank Amodeo. You don't ask the other guy. You don't ask the guy wearing sweatpants. You ask the guy that's dressed appropriately for court. I'm a man. I'm a man to fear. I'm a man to respect. 35 years, over 35 years in law. I don't lose cases. I'm not a loser like some of the other guys. And that's a fact, Jack. That's a fact backed up by documents. It's also backed up by Nexus and Lexus. We have the time to go through the old articles. My name is Frank Amodeo. I've helped convicted criminals get out of jail. Too many on the list that either got their sentence reduced by a substantial amount, and some of them got walked right out of the prison after I wrote a letter to the judge explaining about mens rea and what that meant and what it means here in the heart and their hearts and why it was right. You got to do the right. Sometimes you got to take a stand. Sometimes you have to do the right thing. You know, you don't act like a fool, like the dues payer. All right, and the dues payer better watch it. He better watch his mouth when he talks about me, Frank Amodeo. I don't want to hear nothing out of that dues payer. I'm one of the good guys around here. Any and all of my clients are innocent of any and all crimes. I don't even want to hear anything about guilt of any of my clients. As soon as they sign on and pay the money to be one of my clients, that means they're innocent. And that's a fact. Anyone that says otherwise, whew, they're gonna have a nightmare on their hands. I don't know if they're gonna have a daydream or a night dream or a nightmare, but they're gonna have. There will be punishment for anyone that says one of my clients has done anything but be 100% innocent of any and all crimes. That's a fact, Jack. Okay, and you know We could do it the easy way, or we could do it the hard way in court. I don't think you guys want to do it the hard way. I think you'd rather go the easy way, and anyone that even floats the idea of one of my clients being guilty, the only reason they would say that is because they themselves are guilty of crimes general, and we will prove that they will be convicted of a felony. Because anyone that even says my client is guilty, they're the ones guilty of felonies. We will prove it aggressively if need be. And you can question me, but I don't recommend it because I will come down on you like a hurricane. I will come down on you like a ton of bricks if you question my clients or my client's innocence. I hope I have made myself clear. I don't accept non production. I don't accept imperfection. I accept not guilty for my clients. That's it. Any judge, any prosecutor that floats the idea of one of my clients being guilty, that's a bad move. That's a bad move. So, people could try it, but they should try to be responsible in this country. They should try to be respectful of the Constitution. They should try to respect the Bill of Rights, the Declaration of Independence, the Magna Carta. But they can't do that. They can't. They won't. They have to attack. That's all they do is attack. We're going to defend those attacks. You don't attack one of my clients. That's over the line. That's preposterous. How can we accept that? We do not accept that. Not in this case, not in this courtroom, not in this city. If you have any questions, you write them in. If not, well, that's fine too. We can get going. We can get an early night. I got a busy caseload in the morning, so this is what we're dealing with. We're dealing with 30 failing shows in the Dableverse. I have to represent my clients. See, I will win because I am a winner. A winner, just so you guys know, a winner wins 100% of the time. And the other guy, not naming any names or insinuating, but a loser loses. So I win my cases front to back. It's undebatable. It's undisputable. You don't question me. You don't question what I represent. How could you do that? How could you feel good about that? There's nothing you can feel good about that. That's a fact. You don't question my law license. You don't question my experience. I win my cases. I worked hard. I worked hard in my lifetime. Now the law comes easy because I have over 35 years of experience in this community. Okay. Yeah, this was a last minute thing. ACB. Could be that, or it could be because I go live so much. They only notify you from the information I received and from reports I've gathered. They only notify you if I go live more than 3 times in 24 hours. They will not notify you. That's why I don't think we have a lot of viewers on today. That's my fault. We've been in New York City, so I've been going live. I don't know, twice a day. I don't know. And I just did a video that probably shot out a notification. But thank you for being here. Like I said, we're just verifying the facts that I'm one of the good guys. And classy attorney, the only certified attorney in this Dabbleverse. Let's have a sip of our sparkling beverage. Peter, you're a good friend too. How you doing? Thanks for being here. Skull. All right, so now we got some of the good people here. Basically, I just came on to reinforce the fact that I'm the new Dabbleverse attorney around here. Things are going to change. No one's going to talk about guilt, especially not of my clients. My clients are not guilty. So, those are facts. Like I said, we're not going to be on long. I just want to come on and get my name out there in this Dabbleverse. You know, like I said, most of my clients signed a confidentiality agreements I can't talk about, but I did represent, and I still represent Joey C with great success in this Devilverse. I'm a professional attorney, wear a shirt and tie, unlike some other attorneys. That's why they're not certified in this Devilverse. Can't run around picking on me or my clients. That's improbable. That's preposterous. I'm not going to accept that. There's nothing we can accept about that. That's right. Most of them I'm bound attorney-client privilege. If they say that I could talk about the case, then I can. Joey said I could talk about the majority of his cases. All of them we've won so far. I win over 98% of my cases. The only 2% that I don't win is when clients don't listen to me. That's a fact, Jack. So we're having a good time here. We're talking about me being the only certified Devilverse attorney, only one capable of winning cases, okay? And only one that dresses nice, and I'm good looking. And those are facts. So, we could talk about things, but we should be responsible. We should be respectful. You know, um, I put in my dues, so I deserve. You know, I deserve everything I have. My high-rise apartment, my shirt and tie. Didn't come easy. I put in my dues. I put in my dues in law school. I also went to business school. I took some labor classes. I've been around the block. I'm getting tired, but I still can win all my cases. And other people, see, when you're a lawyer, you're either a winner or a loser. I'm a winner. Oh, it's funny, Peter. Peter says my father said he wishes he had been born rich instead of so darn good looking. That's funny. It's hard to have it all. I've mastered my craft. Like I said, I'm number one, really the only attorney certified to be in this Devilverse. And like I said, we're not staying on long. I've been up all day working on cases and winning them, unlike some other attorneys. Okay? We're not going to mention names. We don't want to be sued. Not at this juncture. Not at this time. Hmm. Detroit by dark. Ooh, thanks for being here. This is such a victorious takedown of Vince the lawyer. See, I'm not allowed by law to mention his name. And like I said, a real attorney wears a shirt and tie. Okay, a real attorney has a nice law studio like this on the 50th floor. So I think you guys agree with that. And the cat's out of the bag since you said his name. I wasn't going to say his name because I'd rather work on my client's stuff. I don't need to defend myself from someone. Now, Vince the lawyer, Okay, since you said his name, we'll just say you said it, not me. Just because you put the word the lawyer, Vince the lawyer, you put the word lawyer in your name doesn't mean you're a real attorney. Now, there's lawyers and then there's attorneys. I am on the higher plane of being a lawyer. A lawyer is way down here. A lawyer is someone that will shine my shoes. A lawyer is someone that would carry my briefcase, both of which Vince isn't capable of doing. So Vince is a good guy. He just I could teach him a lot about the law. Okay. So and yeah, thank you, Peter. That's a fact. Yeah, it's a business to take care of in New York City. Like I said, I practice all kinds of laws, but labor law is a big one. Okay. Criminal defense is my um other major thing that I yeah, that's right, Peter. Yeah, we rose to the top. So, I haven't heard Finney the lawyer talk about any of the cases he's won. Okay. What kind of lawyer has time to fiddle around on YouTube all day? Okay. That's a fact. You don't mess with me. Okay. I'm on the 50th floor looking down on someone like Vince the lawyer. Okay. And I use the word lawyer, Vince the lawyer, almost comically. So, you know, we're looking down on him, you know, and I doubt he's even in New York City because I've been in the city all week and I haven't seen him. I thought I heard his voice once on 52nd Street, and it wasn't him. It was Billy Joel, but it could have been him, and it wasn't. He's not in New York City. He's I don't know what slum city he's in, but it's not New York City. Only the best of the best are in Manhattan. Oh, I've went to several law schools and business schools. Um, I went to the School of London for management and marketing, and then I swung by Harvard and got my law license at Harvard. And I also went to Yale, not the locksmith school. So I've been around. I've paid my dues. It was in my 20s and 30s, and now I just sit back and win case after case after case because I'm on top of my game. No one's gonna knock me down, especially not some. I've said enough about Vince. He's a good guy. We don't need to smirch his name anymore. I think he's done a good enough job of that himself. Okay, so we'll stay up here on the 51st floor and look down on Vince. Okay, because I accomplish more in one day than Vince does in 5 years. So that's a fact. Like I said, he's a good guy. I don't want him to sue me. I got enough lawsuits that I'm working on for clients. I don't need to defend myself. You know, even though if the judge seen a case from him, they'd drop it like a hot potato. That's a fact. So, and we're gonna talk facts here. We're gonna get it done. Don't question me. That's a fact, Jack. So I got a client text me. 1 second, folks. Okay, another case I just won. Uh, yeah, I definitely am on Griff Zone's side, Peter. Let's see. Oh, Detroit. Let's see. I didn't see these questions here. Detroit by Dirk saying one of the rumors about you, Nick, and I'm not familiar with those names. Sorry about that. I'm just probably because I only get a couple hours sleep. I'm probably forgetting some stuff, folks. And Peter's saying, good question though, Detroit by Dark. Like I said, I'm sorry I don't recognize the names. Peter's saying, do you represent Griff Kale Zone in Matters versus Pete? Yes, I do, and, like I said, with the Griff stuff and the Pete, since I know them both, that's more delicate, so we do have to compromise on stuff, but I think it's a mutual win for both parties, Griff and Pete, and that's what we wanna see. We wanna see success in the courtroom, as long as both clients have a compromise, there doesn't have to be a right or wrong, as long as they both come, uh, with a mutual agreement, because when you have 2 sides, you have to meet in the middle of both and make both people happy, and that's, uh, it's worked best with my law practice for over 35 years. I speak the truth. Like I said, all my clients are innocent because of mens rea, and once again, mens rea means innocent mind. All my clients have an innocent mind, so they can't be convicted of a crime, and that's a fact. You don't jump to conclusions about my clients. I will be the judge of that. But yeah, if anyone has any more questions, you can write them in. Ooh, we're definitely gonna get going soon, though. It's pretty late in New York City, almost 11 o'clock. And like I said, I'm the only attorney in the Delaverse that can handle New York City. Well, Aaron doesn't want me talking about his deals. Um, Aaron Levin Smith is a good guy. He's one of the good guys. He got me started. He's one of the good guys. And that's a fact. That's a fact, Jack. Oh, how did I miss this other question by Detroit? Maybe it's because I'm getting tired. It says, have you tried going on Tube? Like Joey C did. No, I never heard of Law Tube. Let me see if I can look it up. You guys are giving me good ideas. Oh, sorry about that. Another client just texted me. Okay, now let me look up that Law Tube. I never heard of that. Law Tube show. Oh, okay. I'm gonna hit subscribe. I'll check it out later. You know what show I've been watching, guys? I know you guys like comedy, I think, like I do. It's a fake judge show. Judge Porter. Is it Judge Porter? It's gotta be. No, it's Judge. Let me look it up. Uh, yeah, Judge Porter. Yeah, Judge Porter. You just look it up; it'll come right up. He doesn't say. Well, he does. It doesn't really clearly say that it's comedy, but I mean, come on, it's pretty funny. He pretends to be a judge, in my opinion. Um, and these cases are just ridiculous. Um, yeah. Anyways, these cases are. Um, the one case, and I know some of the stuff happens in real life, but I don't think to this degree, or maybe it does. Who am I to judge? But this one case on Judge Porter, this guy is claiming he's a horse, and he had this horse head on and some whatever things on his hands, whatever you call them, and he was trying to get a license at the DMV, and they said that he was being discriminated against because they wouldn't give him a license in the name of the horse. And the DMV said, "Well, um, we don't give licenses to horses. You got to be a human." And so he was offended by that, so he sued the town. It's always the same town of I forgot the name of the town. I don't know. I think it's pretty funny. And then, but all these cases are far out. The one guy sued his neighbor because he wouldn't give the neighbor his Wi-Fi password for free. One person sued a neighbor because they thought they should be able to swim in the neighbor's pool for free. So it's pretty funny. You know, I like that kind of stuff. Sorry, sorry if it's not your cup of tea, but it's a pretty good show. And I think the fictional town is based in Florida. I forgot what the name of the town is. Uh, okay, I'll read that comment. That's a good one, Peter. Peter said, friend's wife and sister took to their mother to Judge Judy's court. Basically, the court paid for the settlement and got the drama. Mother borrowed money from the youngest child and refused to pay back. Yeah, that's about right. They're pretty much buying the case from what I hear from like a real court and pretty much buying the people off and you know, oh shoot me an email, cupcake. Or you could just state your business. I give free law advice. Uh wow, Judge Judy kept calling them mothers. Well, that's funny. Yeah, I like the court shows. We know my favorite one was only on the air for 1 year on Fox. Chad Clearwater is 08 at gmail.com. Yeah, it was on. Oh, anyway, it was only on the air for 1 year. I don't know if anyone remembers. It was on Fox for anyone in the U.S. Um, called Street Court. Judge Mazzarello used to go on the streets and he used to hold court on the street. And oh, Judge Wapner, that's going back a ways. That was the guy that started it all. But anyways, Judge, yeah, the People's Court. Well, what was I saying? Oh, back to street court with Judge Mazzarello, and obviously he wasn't a real judge. He was a real attorney, and the same thing. They bought the cases off and did what they wanted, but he got into it. Like he was on the street, like yelling at people, saying they were huckleros. This was around, I don't know, probably between 2007 and 2011, and he was a good judge. Not judge, but he was a good TV person. So I like that kind of stuff. Anyways, we're good having a good time here. Hope you guys are having a good time too. But yeah, Judge Wapner, maybe I'll have to try to Google that too with some of his original episodes. But yeah, they get to be on TV, they get a hotel room paid, I'm sure. Some probably like $500 or $1,000 for expenses and some new clothes probably. Hey. Hey Max, how you doing? Like I said, I have all my information on Nexus and Lexus for anyone to verify. If you have time to go through the old documents, no need to do that. I have over 35 years of experience. I'm the only certified attorney in this Devilverse. Okay, Judge Mathis. I don't know if I really watched him too much. I'll check it out though. Maybe I've seen a few episodes. Um, yeah, I know they never will, but they should bring back street court. You can't beat having court, and it was right in New York City. They had court right in New York, right on the street. Judge Mazzarello. Can't beat that. Can't make that up. Unfortunately, you can't even buy the episodes. Ooh. I don't know. I think we should end. I'm getting tired, folks. I don't know what that means, Max. But anyways, we have a lot of fun on this channel. For anyone not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We do a lot of fun things. We go on the streets. We go to waterfalls. We hit the streets of New York Cities and Buffalo. We do a little traveling from here to there. We give a lot of good advice on the shows. We are ending right now, but like I said, please consider subscribing if you want to see more content like this. I appreciate it. I thank you guys for being here, and hope everyone has a great night. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks again for being here, everyone. Okay, have a great night. Bye now.